Everything over here is obviously non-sponsored because I bought it from my own money. Next thing is मेरे acne का cure. So if I get a chance where my hair is styled without using heat on it, I will take it. But I know this one micellar water that is behuda. I would specifically recommend this for my acne scars. One conditioner that I use and fell in love with, and the dermat approved this non-sponsored. Alia Bhatt favorite product to remove any sort of tan if you do have. I know that the Fenty lip glosses are like the peak of everything, but this seems like the best dupe to it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second video of December, and as you read the title, it is in fact a Nykaa haul, but it's also restocking a lot of my skincare, hair care and all of that favorites. So you will get to know a lot of products that I use in and out regularly. So keep watching because I have bought around 15,000 worth of items and I'm here with my haul. Let me show you all the boxes. If the theli wasn't enough, I have another box too. Box number 1, big box number 2, box number 3 and box number 4. That's a lot. Let's begin with our first box. Seems a little heavy, so let's see what it is. Now while we unbox this, I would love for you guys to go and subscribe to my channel. I want to do all the mehnat I can to make as many long forms as possible. Okay, first things first is something that my brother really wanted, and he was behind me to order this, and it is his favorite. Sebamed shampoo, and this is for normal to dry hair. I haven't ever tried it out honestly, and he compulsorily only uses the Sebamed shampoo right now, so have to get one for him. Let me show you the first item that I ordered for myself, and the first thing that I see here is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade 001 Pearl. Now this one's basically because I want to use it like a topper on any of my lipsticks if I want to add like a pearl shimmer, like an iridescent look. I've used Maybelline glosses before a lot of times and they're really nice. I know that the Fenty lip glosses are like the peak of everything, but this seems like the best dupe to it. It is thick but not in an uncomfortable way. I've tried out the other shade Petal. It's pink and it's so pigmented. This was my first thing, and I will be mentioning the prices right here somewhere, so keep watching. The second thing that I ordered for myself is something that I've never tried. So this is the Aloe 2% plus NAG 2% solution. Now I really don't even know what is NAG, so I'm going to go and research onto this, and I really wanted to try this out because I was specifically recommended this for my acne scars. Now I'll tell you, I get a lot of acne and I know completely how to deal with it. I know the exact ways and the steps to take out my acne, but something that I don't know is how to take my acne scars out. Acne to chala jata hai, but ek dhabba chhod ke chala jata hai, and it stays for months and months, and that's something I communicated to this lady at an event. It was an ordinary event where they were recommending ordinary products to us, obviously according to our skin concerns, and I spoke to her about this problem that I have with acne scars, and she told me that she doesn't have this product right now and it's not a part of the event, but she would really recommend it because a lot of customers said that this particular product helped them with acne scars. And now that is the ordinary 2% aloe plus 2% NAG solution, and it says that it's a soothing serum for blemish prone skin. So I am probably going to actually first research on it. Yes, I've already bought it. I should have done it before, but the sale season was on and I really wanted to get it. So I'll research about it a little bit and then use it. So yeah, let me know if you want me to actually record the entire process of using this and seeing if there's any difference in my skin. I think I can do that. So let me know if you want me to do that, and we'll see if this is worth it or not. Let's see. I'm going to move on to the second box. Now you wouldn't know what it is until I actually open it. So let me show it to you. These are a set of 6 clips that I bought. Now you can obviously use them for your makeup, where you just keep your hair like this. But I basically got it because, so you make curls with your Dyson, but sometimes it doesn't last too long. But this exact curl might not last if I have to travel somewhere. For example, I had to go to Vashi for a wedding function, and I knew for a matter of fact that this probably wouldn't last until and unless I would have kept like a mousse, or it would have still gone because it's a curl in the end. So my hairstylist actually recommended me that once you're done with your curl, what you do is you take this and then you just put it like this, and then you travel like this till the destination comes, and then eventually before getting out of your cab you remove this like this, and then your curl will last. Your curl will just be as it was at home. So this is what I'm going to do the next time I go. Beauty is pain, but it gives you beauty in the end. That was the only thing that I got in this one box. I don't like these things about brands, be it Nykaa, Amazon, anyone. They send such big boxes for the smallest of things. I feel like you can stuff 2 to 3 more items in this and then you'll be okay. Why waste boxes? Box number 2 is done. The last 2 boxes are left and they are big huge boxes. So let me open the third box. Okay brother, let's open you. At home mummy and papa never let me open boxes. because they are like तुझे लग जाएगी, because I have gotten hurt once or twice. Wow, we got 4 things this time. Okay, so the first thing that I can see is something that I needed in summer but I forgot to buy it at that time, so I bought it now, and it is the licorice and lactic acid peel. And this is something that I've seen Tarini use a lot. I love her content for skin recommendations, and this is something that I actually saw in her content that she uses to remove any sort of tan if you do have, and it is to get an even toned glowing skin, as it says. It's from Dr. Sheth. So let me tell you why I actually bought it. I feel there's a difference between my body skin color versus the skin that is not exposed, like more on the chest side, and versus my face. I feel like there's a slight difference, and these are all a little darker. I also feel like I sit under the sun a lot. That's because मैं studio में हमेशा window के side में बैठी रहती हूँ. Be it when I'm shooting, you see the mirror in my shots, and there's a window next to it. My study table is also next to the window, exactly next to the window, and my curtains are like this. I don't have those opaque curtains in both of my room. And जो basically वो धूप वाला टाइमिंग होता है ना, 2 बजे से लेके 6 बजे तक जितनी सारी धूप आती है वो सारी मुझ पे आती है. And see, I wear a lot of sleeveless tops, often in fact, and I can see a difference when it comes to my body, like I said in the first point. So that's why I really wanted to try this out. Now obviously this would work way better if, let's say, I would go to a beach vacation or a mountain vacation and then try it out, because there's an obvious difference in your skin color at that time. But I really just wanted to see if there's a good product that works on your tanning. I am 100% going to record this for my satisfaction and then let you know if this really works out for me. But yeah, this is the peel that I'm going to use the next time you see any tan on my body. The 6th product is a very big Alia Bhatt favorite product. Now if you've seen her skincare videos, you already know what product it is, but in case you haven't, let me tell you, this moisturizer that is of 3,500 rupees was a little bit on sale, and that's why I thought let me give it a try. But I've heard very good reviews about it. I also went to a dermat a few months ago and I realized that my skin is not oily, my skin is combination. A lot of my cheeks are fully dry, and this area, the T-zone, is oily. And if I'm not wrong, I think Alia's skin also is slightly dry, but I've heard a lot of good things about this. I also saw Satya using this and really liking it in her videos on YouTube, and I thought, you know what, everyone's talking about it. I'm a little too late to try it out, but I really do want to try it out. I ordered this DU In My Defense moisturizer. It's a barrier building moisturizer, not just like general hydrating. तो देखते हैं कि ये काम करता है कि नहीं, कि मेरे 3,500 रुपए. Let's see if Alia Bhatt is right. The 6th product in this list is Just Rolling Face Sculpting Primer. It's the Collagen Plus Niacinamide Keto Primer, and it is 100% vegan, it is cruelty free, and it has no parabens, as the packaging says. You might have actually seen me use this primer already in my shorts a lot and in my makeup videos as well. I actually love the fact that it's in a roller format, because हमेशा जब भी मैं primer लगा रही हूँ तो मेरा हाथ खराब हो जाता है, and then I have to go and wash and then whatnot, which I don't mind obviously, but if you can get something like this, why not? And I also feel like it sticks my makeup well. Not like मेरा पहला वाला primer खत्म हो रहा था, but I just got this because again sale था, and I knew for a matter of fact कि वो खत्म हो जाएगा तो मैं खरीद लूँगी. तो much rather buy it when it's on a discount, right, ladies? खरीदो चीजें but लेकिन पैसे बचा के. Okay, the last thing in this box is the most heaviest thing ever. Heaviest thing in the haul. This is what I have purchased. Now this also I have purchased because I got influenced by the internet to buy this, because I did not need another curler. I have the Dyson, it works well. I have a curler, it works well. I don't know how to use it very much, but yes. And I have a straightener which I use as a curler, ऐसे करके और फिर नीचे के curl हो जाते हैं, तो वो मुझे हो जाता है. Curler मुझे अच्छे से use नहीं करना आता, I agree. But yeah, I have these things, so I didn't really need it. But to be fair, this is a portable curler. I often do my makeup in the car because I'm running very late usually. बाल तो छोड़ ही दो फिर तब तक. And now that you know all of these things, doesn't this seem like a fair purchase? So I really want to try this out. I want to use this and I want to see if it is worth that money. I want to see if it automatically curl कर लेता है, because I suck at curling. I don't know how to put my wand like this and then move my hair, and then when I leave it open then it just is a disaster. So for all the technical noobs like me who do not know how to heat style their hair very often, उनके लिए I think this should work, but I'm not going to review it already. I'm going to review it in my shorts, so subscribe. It's the on the go styling easy travel companion, perfect curls anywhere, cordless and lightweight. But yeah, obviously because it's portable, I'll have to charge it, and that's the most horrible thing. I forget to charge everything. Let me know if you have used this. Now that was it for box number 3. Let's move on and open the biggest box. काफी damaged लग रहा है already ये box. This is heavy stuff. This is heavy stuff. There's a lot that is in the box and it's going to be opened. First thing that I can see is the simple face wash. You might have seen me promote this very often, and please know that I actually use the products that I'm promoting. This is fully a restock. I've been using it ever since I got it the first time when the brand sent it, and I really liked it. Everything over here is obviously non-sponsored because I bought it from my own money. When I went to the dermat for the first time, she asked me for my routine, and this is the face wash that I told her that I use, and the dermat approved this. The 10th thing that I bought, जो थोड़ा सा से damage होके आया है, step number 3, rejuvenate. Your eyes remind me of stars. How cute is that packaging? It's an eye serum which has peptides, ceramides and caffeine complex, everything that is good for the eyes and the skin around it. This is the eye serum that is very famous from Amino, and they're very sweet as a brand. Yeah, they've sent me a couple of products before. I've not gotten the time to use a lot of things. This was never sent, and I really wanted to try it out, so I thought I'll buy it out. I think it's more on the expensive side, but I think that is because of the ingredients that it has. Like, it has all the good ones, and I've seen a lot of people try it out on the internet and say everything good about it. I'm definitely gonna try it, and I hope this works out. I don't mind purchasing something expensive if it works out for your skin. The same way for clothes. Quality clothes over cheap clothes, even if it is in abundance. पर मैंने इसको अपने कार्ट में ऐड किया, और तभी ये सेल पे था, तो मैंने अपने कार्ट में ऐड कर लिया, and then I had to add more things I knew, so I was just like, I'll take a few days to order this entire cart because I'll remember what I actually want and then order. फिर तब तक ये सेल से चला गया, and I was just like a little heartbroken, but I remembered. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि तुम कभी अपने कार्ट में काफी टाइम तक एक प्रोडक्ट रखते हो, तो वो ऐप तुम्हें ऑटोमेटिकली डिस्काउंट दे देता है. I don't know why, but it messages you that your cart is on a discount and you can now order stuff. So I did that. ये सेल टाइम है और मुझे तभी तो डिस्काउंट चाहिए ही भाई. I waited it out and I was right. थोड़े दिन में नायका ने मुझे मैसेज किया कि your cart is on discount, additional discounts, time to order it, and I was like, yes, it is the time to order it now. Smarties. The 11th thing is a hair conditioner that is a restock again. Dun-ta-da! It is the Love Beauty and Planet conditioner, curry leaves, biotin and mandarin orange conditioner. Now, Love Beauty and Planet has a lot of variants. I think lavender being the most famous one. I have actually liked the mask, but one conditioner that I used and fell in love with from the very beginning was this. I've spoken about it before. I have literally gotten compliments for how good my hair looked and how good my hair smelled after using this. Like, top tier hair compliments. My hair actually looked manageable, less frizz and more smooth, and smelled so beautifully. It's not a pungent, strong smell. It's a beautiful, calming smell that I got on my hair. I do actually love 3 more conditioners, but I think this one has always been a constant. If your conditioner is not working out and if you really want to try out a different one, 100% recommend this. Next, finally, I missed this. मेरा Bioderma का micellar water. This is like my all-time favorite. I have not used many micellar waters, to be honest, to give like a review of many. But I know this one micellar water that is Behuda. It is the yellow Garnier micellar water. I'm sorry, but it is not made for skin that gets acne, and I feel like every time I've removed my makeup from that, it's giving me acne. I like the pink Garnier just as much as I hate the yellow Garnier tub. But enough about it, because I repurchased this Bioderma H2O micellar water. It tastes a bit kadwa whenever you have to remove your makeup from the lip, but it does a good job, and it is good for my sensitive acne prone skin as well. Okay, next thing. ये क्या है? Did I order this? I'm sure this is not something I needed if I don't even know what it is. Oh, it is a hair accessory, guys. It is those satin shower caps. When you're sleeping and you want your hair to be frizz-free, and just to make sure your hair is fine throughout the night as well, I think you use these satin hair covers. I've read about it on the internet and I know girls have tried it out. Let me know if you actually want to see all of these reviews. I am going to try this out. Not the most essential thing in the world, but I will only know that if I try it out. Okay, so this is like a full-on contradiction to this. इसमें heat स्टाइलिंग कर्ल्स होते हैं, इसमें हीट लेस कर्ल्स होते हैं. ऊपर वो एक लगाते हैं चीज़ और उसमें कर्ल करते हैं बाल, और अगले दिन तुम्हारे एकदम सुंदर ब्लो आउट कर्ल्स निकलते हैं. मैं द रीज़न आई डोंट experiment with a lot of hairstyles just because I don't want to heat style my hair very often. मैं बहुत protective हूँ अपने बालों की तरफ. So if I get a chance where my hair is styled without using heat on it, I will take it. I have ordered this heatless hair curler which has 2 satin scrunchies and 1 satin curling rod. I'm going to review it again as a part of my shorts. So subscribe कर लो please. कर दिया ना. Next thing that I ordered is this green colored gel formula waterproof. I didn't know that. ऑल डे वेयर एफर्टलेस ग्लाइड काजल. मुझे ग्रीन काजल चाहिए था क्योंकि मुझे आंखें खाली काली नहीं पसंद है, मुझे आंखें ब्लू ब्राउन ग्रीन ये सब भी पसंद है ऑन माई आई. एंड आई नो के ब्यूटी के प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं. आई हैव ट्राइड आउट दैट पेंसिल. इट इज़ अ काजल ऑन वन साइड एंड इट्स एन आईलाइनर ऑन द अदर साइड एंड इट्स रियली नाइस. पिगमेंट बहुत अच्छा था काजल का, वो निकल भी जाता था नेक्स्ट डे काजल प्रॉपरली. तो मुझे ये ऑर्डर करना था. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज मेरे एक्ने का क्योर. यू नो आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि मैंने I didn't order this one. No. I'm gonna go and complain on the site because I didn't order this one. I ordered salicylic acid serum without the deep penetration formula. I don't want this. Or I don't know if Dermaco have just replaced their products with this one because अच्छा खासा सीरम को उन लोगों ने बिगाड़ दिया है. मूड ऑफ हो गया उसे देख के. I'll tell you the Dermaco serum, the 2% salicylic acid serum that I keep telling you guys about is not the one with the deep penetration formula and it works really well on my acne. That is my go-to salicylic acid serum. ऐसा मत करो यार. The next product is this Tattoo Brow 3-day styling gel from Maybelline. मैं अपने ब्राउज को इतना मेकअप करती नहीं हूँ लेकिन I just feel like when I do my entire makeup ये ब्राउज थोड़े ज़्यादा empty और not done लगते हैं and I feel like I want to do something about it. I want to add some pigment because ये scanty भी है थोड़े से and just make sure it is set well. 2 times के लिए मैंने एक Tattoo Brow gel मंगाया है. Let's see how this works out. I've never actually tried it out. So last thing in this box looks like these are my freebies. So I ordered this roll on because मेरा वाला expire हो गया था and my underarms are very sensitive. Like it gets rashy the minute I use something that is not supposed to be used on it. I restocked my Chemist at Play underarm roll on. It is the aqua fragrance wala. I do have a sweating plus odor issue sometime and I want to avoid that. This helps control body odor and it prevents underarm darkness. So we're going to start using this again. That was my last product. I think the next 2 products that are here are freebies. The first freebie is the Maybelline Lumi Matte foundation which I already used but this shade is 120. I used the shade 115. I think this is going to be handy when I travel and I feel like I'm a little tanned so I can use this or maybe I can mix it with my concealer and make it slightly lighter. The last thing that I have in this, the Bioderma Tiny Tino face wash. Again, these are only useful while traveling. I don't open this normally. And that was my haul. एकदम end में तो एकदम disappoint कर लिया मुझे salicylic acid ने. You saw few products that I restocked and a lot of products that I ordered for the first time to try it out. So let me know which product is the first one that you would want me to review on my shorts. I will definitely do it. That was it for the video. जल्दी से जाके like कर दो, subscribe कर लो if you haven't. Share this video with whoever is ordering from Nykaa and needs recommendations. Let me know what video would you like to see next on my channel on my long form. And बस मैंने बहुत बोल दिया. अब मुझे भूख लग रही है, मुझे खाना है. मुझे बस बता देना in the comments what would you like to see me review from all of these products next on my short. That's it for now. I hope you like this video. Thank you for supporting me in what I love to do. Bye.